Welcome. In front of me is some fake Samsung phone, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, let's open up settings. From here, I want to go into the sound and choose which one you want. So we have silent or meetings, outdoor. I believe you can tap on them and nope, actually there is no way to customize it. So if you want to customize it, I guess you have to go into the general, and from here you can select what will happen when the device is in the general mode. So we have a bunch of toggles for touch, sound, screen, lag, sound, vibration, and so on. Then we have ringtone volume, alarm volume. You can choose whichever one you want. And going back, like we seen before, we have the silent mode, which will basically make the device completely silent, and meetings, which has only vibrations, and we have outdoor, which allows ringtone and vibration. So you can choose whichever one you want from here. And that's basically the equivalent that you have to Do Not Disturb mode. There is no other thing here like that. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.